Hello and welcome to another Git Basics. Today we're going to learn about Git branch and Git checkout in the reverse order though. So we've done a couple things in our little repository here. Let me just show them. Here we have 4 commits, and but I am thinking I'd like to take a look at the second commit. I think I'd like to see what the files look like at that point. So I'm going to go git checkout C4AB. That is the first 4 letters of this right here. If you have a lot of commits, you may need to specify further if there's another C4AB, but usually the first 4 is fine. So now I've gone back to Git Basics 2. This is the state at the second commit, and if we take a look again, we can say head is located at the second commit. So head represents where the current state of the Git repo is. But now let's say I want to make some changes stemming from here instead of stemming from this commit, the latest commit. I can do that. Let's make a change. Hi. Let's git add and git commit. Add hi. And let's take a look at this again. All right, so now we can see our latest commit is here. Add hi message, and it has branched off from this point, from the second commit, and it is now so we have 2 concurrent branches of development at this point. These changes stem from this change followed this change, and so did this change. So it's no longer linear. This change does not follow the latest change anymore. Now the thing is, when I go, let's 833A. All right. So the thing is, if I want to go back to the head, not the head, to master, I can do that. Git checkout master. All right. But if we take a look again, that other branch has disappeared, and that is because head does not. When head moves, it's like the head of a linked list. If no other pointer is pointing to that place, it'll just sort of get garbage collected and go away. Now, it happens that Git does not garbage collect these things immediately, so you can actually get hold of them, and that's why I was memorizing the letters there. I know that this was commit 833A, so if I do git checkout A33A, nope, 8333, you can see we've actually gotten that commit back. But here's the thing, when I change to branch master, I don't want to lose those commits, and I don't want to have to remember them, the names of the letters there. So what we can do is git branch, and we need to give the new branch a name, hi. And now we can see we're on the hi branch, and head is here with hi. Now head is not currently pointing at hi because head is still in technically detached state. So head is pointing at this branch, or at this commit, and hi is pointing at this commit, rather than head being pointing at hi, which is pointed at this commit. So you can think of these branches and the head as basically like pointers into linked lists, or trees sometimes, or maybe just graphs in general. But we can make head point at hi. So it's actually here, so I'll show the difference. So if we make another change, by git add that commit, I'll just do this, add by message, and boom, we'll see that head has surpassed high. It has gone past high. That's probably not the behavior we wanted. And the reason why is because head was pointing at this commit, and then it just went ahead and moved itself up, but it was not pointing at high, so high did not get moved with it. So what we should have done instead, let's see, git count 833a. All right. What we should have done, now we've lost that change, let's make it again, by git commit add, git add, git commit m, add by message. Oh no, I did it again. I didn't do it differently, did I? Oh my god, bear with me here. All right. So now we want head to point at high, right? So what we're going to do is git checkout high. Now, if we look again, head is pointing at high. And now when we make a commit, let's, for the third time, sorry about that. Now we can see that high has moved with head. So head is tracking with high, or high is tracking with head, because head is pointing at high. And we can freely move back and forth between head and high, or between master and high, and we don't lose any commits. So that's branching.